I hear it everywhere. The same fear over and over again. We're going to be dehumanized by AI. AI is going to take the human soul out of our work, our jobs. I have a hard question for you. Have you considered that maybe we lost our human side a long time ago? Look at our days. We don't have time to think. We don't have time to feel. We are trapped in email inboxes. We are processing data rows. We are moving information from one spreadsheet to another one. We are terrified that AI will replace us. But the truth is, we have been acting like biological robots for 20 years. The fact that we are losing our space to AI doesn't really apply. We gave up that space in the moment that we let administrative busy-work consume 90% of our lives. This is the shift you need to see. AI is not here to replace the human. It is here to replace the robot inside the human. It excels the constraint. It loves the repetition. It's extremely accurate where we are sloppy. But when it comes to articulation, when it comes to complex judgment, when it comes to empathy, AI hits a wall. That's your territory. AI clears the clutter so you can finally do what humans were designed to do: to connect, to reason, and to create. I want to leave you with one question that put everything in perspective. It took us millions of years of evolution to reach 8 billion people in this planet. But right now, ChatGPT alone processes 2 billion prompts every single day. Every 24 hours, a volume of ideas equivalent to 1/4 of the entire human population is being processed by machine intelligence. The wave isn't coming. The wave is here. The question is, are you going to stop searching and start reasoning? If you're here, you know what you have decided.